You and your home just got smarter. The U by Moen Shower provides an easier, more convenient, and exceptionally personal showering experience. Turn on your shower anywhere in your home with the touch of a button. Once your desired water temperature is reached, the U by Moen Shower pauses until you're ready to go. Multiple users can personalize their own showering experience with easy-to-use programming. Available in a 2 or 4 outlet system, it also allows design flexibility. Backed with our lifetime limited warranty, the U by Moen Shower was built to perform. Not only is the U by Moen Shower easy to use, it's also easy to install. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a 4-outlet U by Moen Shower valve and controller with a shower head, hand shower, and 4 body sprays. We'll be using PEX water lines for this installation, but copper and CPVC can also be used. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a drill, 3/16 and 1 1/4 inch drill bits, Phillips screwdriver, level, silicone caulk, tape measure, thread seal tape, pencil, and safety glasses. You may also need to purchase some materials, such as 2x4s, 1/2 and 3/4 inch PEX water lines, and any adapters or connectors, wood screws, 1/2 and 3/4 inch crimp rings, a crimping tool, PEX tube cutter, torch, lead-free solder kit, and shutoff valves. Shutoffs are required for this installation. Make sure they're in the off position before getting started. Step 1. Determine where to install the U by Moen Shower valve. For your convenience, it can be placed in a wall, cabinet, or basement, virtually anywhere. A 30-foot data cable connects the valve to the controller, giving you 30 feet of install flexibility. If you place the valve behind a wall, an access panel is required with a minimum opening size of 14 by 29 inches. As for mounting options, the U by Moen Shower valve can rest vertical or flat. Think about where the valve will be mounted, and the GFCI electrical outlet will be installed. The electrical outlet should be installed above the valve, providing an adequate amount of slack for the 6-foot AC power adapter. Step 2. Install the U by Moen Shower valve. The valve fits perfectly between studs, with only 13 3/4 inches needed. Once you've determined where to mount the valve, install 2 2x4 wood supports 13 inches apart. Use wood screws to secure the wood supports in place. The valve comes with standard CC connections. If you're using PEX or CPVC, remove the protective covers on the inlets and install the appropriate adapters. 3/4 inch inlets and 1/2 inch outlets are needed for the 4-outlet shower valve, whereas 1/2 inch inlets and outlets are used with a 2-outlet shower valve. The U by Moen Shower valve should rest on the lower wood support. Use the 4 provided mounting screws to secure the valve in place. Before you connect the water lines, talk to the homeowner to determine what button on the controller will activate what outlet, then plumb it accordingly. Outlet A must be plumbed as the primary shower head, and there should be no more than 3 body sprays on one outlet, with a maximum of 14 gallons per minute for all outlets combined. Remove the protective covers on the valve outlets, and if needed, install adapters. For this installation, outlet A is for the shower head, B is for the hand shower, and outlets C and D will each have 2 body sprays. Plug any unused outlets with a 1/2 inch copper cap. Step 3. Connect the data cable and AC power adapter to the valve. A 10 by 6 inch flat area on the finished shower wall is required to mount the controller. From the shower side of the valve, measure about 60 inches from the floor and install a 2x4 wood support between the studs for the controller. Use wood screws to secure it in place. Drill a 1¼ inch hole in the wood support for the data cable. Properly secure the data cable with the data cable retainer so it doesn't fall back through the wood support. Run the data cable to the valve. Be careful not to damage it during installation. Insert the data cable into the data port of the valve. Then, insert the AC power adapter into the AC power port. Make sure each cord has a drip loop. Plug the other end of the AC power adapter into the electrical outlet. An optional battery backup is available. This allows homeowners to use the shower for a few days without AC power. The battery backup should be installed above the valve, but within 3 feet of the bottom of the valve. Install the provided hanging screw at the proper location, leaving an 1/8 inch gap from the wall. Insert the 6D alkaline non-rechargeable batteries that are provided in the kit. Hang the battery backup on the screw. At the bottom of the valve, remove the data cable, AC power adapter, and foam gasket. Now install the new foam gasket, which comes with the battery backup. The smallest hole should be on the left with the flat edge facing you. Insert the AC power adapter into the right port, battery backup into the middle port, and the data cable into the left port. The valve is shipped in the open position, so you can test the plumbing connections with water or air without connecting the controller. Step 4. Mount the controller onto the finished shower wall. Remove the data cable retainer and pull the data cable out so it doesn't fall back into the wall. Slide the mounting bracket over the data cable and hold it at the desired position on the wall. The arrow on the brackets should be pointed towards the ceiling. Make sure the bracket is level and mark the 2 drill holes. Use a 3/16 inch drill bit to drill the holes, and only drill through the finished wall. Apply a bead of silicone caulk in the groove on the back of the mounting bracket. This will seal the bracket to the wall. Place the mounting bracket flush to the wall and secure it in place with the included screws. Do not over-tighten. Make sure the mounting bracket is still level. Wipe off any excess caulk. The gasket on the front of the mounting bracket will provide a watertight seal for the controller. Remove and discard the protective cap from the data cable. Attach the controller cable to the data cable. Feed the connected cable back into the wall. Then align the controller over the mounting bracket and slide down until you hear an audible click. The controller should be flush to the finished wall. Finish up by turning the hot and cold shutoffs to the on position. Congratulations! The installation is complete. You're now ready to start the U by Moen shower. For more features and options, download the U by Moen app. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.